I think recently I was in an airplane and someone sitting next to me, they were doing some Python development in Visual Studio Code, and they were using this feature that I helped design. It's definitely an amazing opportunity.
So Visual Studio Code, typically called VS Code, is a code editor for writing software. So writing out your code and just kind of helping make software easier to write and develop.
I think it's amazing that we got to work on a tool that is used by so many people. I was back in Brazil doing my master's and I was doing some Python development there, and I was using VS Code for a lot of it. I also love that our community here in Vancouver is so close-knit. We always end up meeting people who are using our products, and they can share the feedback, and we can learn and share the feedback that we have for their products too.
And it's great to be able to help such a wide-ranging, diverse group of people, from hardware to open source and everything between, being able to provide our expertise that we happen to have by physically being here in Vancouver and be able to have those conversations with those people.
I love Vancouver as a city. I'm not from here, I'm more from the prairies. It's always quite exciting to be here. I get to see what I've done kind of immediately in the product. Our features are in the hands of our users quite quickly, and then we're able to get feedback directly from them. I always find that really interesting.
I think the key thing to realize about getting to work from Vancouver is our team is completely geographically distributed, and yet we have equal impact as anyone else on the team, no matter where they are on the globe. The chance to get to work on VS Code on a project that helps make other people's lives literally better because they're able to use it in school and education, nonprofits, running their own business, etc., is really fulfilling.
I remember that I was working on a feature, and when it released, I told to my uncle, because he's also a software engineer, and said, like, have you tried the translation stuff? And he said, yeah, it's like, I did that, and it feels so good, like knowing that you do something and people are using it, and really appreciate that. So it feels so good.
When I first moved here, I was like moving to a different country, speaking a different language, new job, first job, all of that. I'm very happy that today I got to senior over these 5 years, and I was able to do that from Vancouver because of the impact that we're able to make at a large scale throughout the world. I just love what we have here in Vancouver.